In this video, I will show you step by step how to create an official WhatsApp business account the right way. This guide is perfect for beginners and also for businesses that want to look professional and trustworthy on WhatsApp. First, you need to understand one important thing. A WhatsApp business account is different from a normal WhatsApp account. For business use, you must use the WhatsApp Business app. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Google Play Store if you are using Android or the App Store if you are using an iPhone and search for WhatsApp Business. Download and install the app on your phone. Once the app is installed, open WhatsApp Business. You will see a welcome screen. Tap on Agree and Continue. Now WhatsApp will ask you to enter a phone number. This number will be used for your business, so it is better to use a separate number that is not already connected to a personal WhatsApp account. Enter your phone number and tap Next. WhatsApp will send you a verification code by SMS. Enter the code to verify your number. After verifying your number, WhatsApp will ask for permissions like access to contacts and media. Allow these permissions so the app can work properly. Now, you will be asked to set up your business profile. This step is very important because this is what makes your account look official. First, enter your business name. Make sure the name is correct because once it is set, you cannot change it easily. Choose a name that matches your brand or business. Next, select a business category. For example, you can choose online store, service provider, education, marketing, or any category that fits your business. After that, add your business description. Write a short and clear description explaining what your business does. Then, add your business address if you have a physical location. You can also add your business email and website link if you have one. This helps customers trust your business more. Next, add a profile picture. This should be your business logo or a professional image related to your brand. A clear profile picture makes your business look more credible. Now that your profile is set up, go to the settings inside WhatsApp Business. From here, you can access business tools. These tools are very powerful and helpful. You can set up automated greeting messages, so when someone messages you for the first time, they receive a welcome message automatically. You can also set away messages to inform customers when you are not available. Another useful feature is quick replies. You can create saved replies for frequently asked questions. This helps you reply faster and saves a lot of time. You can also set your business hours so customers know when you are available. If you want to look even more professional, you can connect your WhatsApp business account to your Facebook or Instagram business page. This allows customers to contact you directly from your social media pages.